In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move buttons on Squarespace. Whether you're looking to give your Squarespace site a fresh look or need to adjust the placement of buttons for better user experience, this tutorial is for you. Moving buttons around your Squarespace website can seem tricky at first, but with these simple steps, I'll show you exactly how to do it seamlessly and effectively. First things first, let's get into your Squarespace account, open your favorite browser, head over to the Squarespace homepage. Here you'll find the login button prominently displayed. Click on it to proceed. For those of you who have linked your Squarespace account to Google, the next step is straightforward. Click on Continue with Google. This option streamlines the login process by using your Google account credentials, saving you the hassle of remembering another password. Then simply select your Google account from the list provided if you're not automatically signed in. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your website's dashboard. If you're not directly taken there, you can always access your website by clicking on its name under the Managed Websites section. Once you're viewing your website's dashboard, you'll want to switch to editing mode to make changes. Look for the edit button. This might appear differently based on your Squarespace version or template, but it usually sits near the top or side of your dashboard. Now comes the fun part. Moving your button, navigate to the page where the button is located, scrolling if necessary. Find the button you wish to move. With Squarespace's intuitive design interface, editing elements on your site, including buttons, is a breeze. Hover over your button. When your cursor changes into a hand, you're in the right spot to make the move. Click and hold the button, then drag it to its new location. Squarespace allows for a smooth drag and drop experience, giving you the flexibility to position the button exactly where you need it. Be sure to experiment with different placements to see what looks best on your page. And of course, no changes are complete without saving them. Once you're satisfied with the new placement of your button, look for the Save button, usually located at the top of the page or within the editing pane. This final click ensures all your hard work is kept in place, making your updates live for the world to see. And there you have it. You've successfully moved a button on your Squarespace site. Play around with different layouts and button placements until you find the perfect setup for your site's design and navigation needs. Remember, the goal is to enhance your site's overall user experience, so don't be afraid to test different configurations. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found these steps helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most of your Squarespace site. Happy editing!